AFCI breakers, or arc fault circuit interrupters, are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arcing faults. However, they can sometimes experience nuisance tripping, where the breaker trips even when there isn't a dangerous arc fault. Several factors can contribute to this issue. Motor loads are one common cause. Devices like electric fans, vacuum cleaners, and air conditioners can create current fluctuations that the AFCI breaker interprets as an arc fault. Power tools can also cause similar tripping issues due to their motor operation and potential for creating electrical noise. Electronic devices can also trigger AFCI breakers. Computers, printers, and other electronics may have internal components that generate electrical noise or small leakage currents. Incandescent light bulbs can sometimes cause tripping, especially when they are nearing the end of their lifespan and their filaments are becoming brittle. Non-polarized appliances, which lack a dedicated grounding conductor, might also contribute to nuisance tripping. Extension cords, particularly if they are damaged or have loose connections, can introduce arcing faults or voltage drops that trigger the AFCI. Damaged cords or wiring throughout the electrical system are a significant cause of AFCI trips, as compromised insulation can lead to arcing. Overloaded circuits can also cause nuisance tripping. If the circuit is drawing more current than it is rated for, the AFCI breaker may trip to prevent overheating. Weak or damaged connections, such as loose or corroded wiring connections, can create arcing and lead to false trips. Some AFCI breakers are simply more sensitive than others. This means they may trip more easily in response to minor electrical disturbances. Poor quality appliances or electronics may have internal faults that create electrical disturbances, increasing the likelihood of AFCI tripping. Electromagnetic interference, or EMI, from nearby electronic devices or magnetic fields can sometimes interfere with the operation of AFCI breakers. The amperage rating of the AFCI breaker can also play a role in tripping. A 15 amp AFCI breaker has a lower current capacity than a 20 amp AFCI breaker. If a circuit is heavily loaded, the 15 amp breaker may trip more easily under normal operating conditions. Here are some recommendations for troubleshooting AFCI nuisance tripping. Firstly, inspect the electrical system. Carefully check for any loose connections, damaged wiring, or overloaded circuits. Pay attention to outlets, switches, and junction boxes. Secondly, identify the offending loads. Try to determine which appliances or devices are causing the tripping by using a process of elimination. Unplug or turn off devices one at a time to see if the tripping stops. Thirdly, replace problematic devices. If possible, replace any faulty or low-quality appliances or electronics that are suspected of causing the tripping. Consider using higher quality replacements. Fourthly, use surge protectors. Install surge protectors on circuits that power sensitive electronic devices. Surge protectors can help to filter out electrical noise and prevent voltage spikes. Fifthly, consider less sensitive AFCI breakers. In some cases, using AFCI breakers with low sensitivity may reduce nuisance tripping. However, this should be done with caution, as it may compromise electrical safety. Consult with a qualified electrician before making this change. It is always a good idea to contact the manufacturer of the AFCI breakers for technical assistance and guidance. They may have specific recommendations or troubleshooting tips for their product. To summarize, consider these points. 1. Motor loads such as electric fans and vacuum cleaners. 2. Power tools. 3. Electronic devices like computers and printers. 4. Incandescent light bulbs. 5. Non-polarized appliances. 6. Extension cords. 7. Damaged cords or wiring. Also consider overloaded circuits, weak or damaged connections, sensitive AFCI breakers, poor quality appliances, and electromagnetic interference. Remember that a 15 amp AFCI breaker has a lower current capacity compared to a 20 amp AFCI breaker, making it more susceptible to tripping under heavy loads. Recommendations to resolve this issue include inspecting the electrical system, identifying the offending loads, replacing problematic devices, using surge protectors, considering less sensitive AFCI breakers, and coordinating with the manufacturer. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. If you are not comfortable performing electrical work, consult a qualified electrician. They can help diagnose and resolve the issue safely and effectively. When dealing with electrical problems, safety should always be the top priority. If you're not comfortable or experienced working with electrical systems, it's always best to consult a qualified electrician. A professional electrician can accurately diagnose the cause of the AFCI breaker tripping and perform any necessary repairs or replacements while ensuring your safety and compliance with electrical codes. The electrical work can be dangerous, and attempting to fix problems without the proper knowledge and tools can lead to serious injury or even death. Remember, AFCI breakers are designed to protect you from electrical fires, so it's important to take any tripping issues seriously and address them promptly. Ignoring the problem or attempting to bypass the AFCI breaker can have dangerous consequences. Instead, follow the troubleshooting steps outlined earlier and seek professional help when needed. Maintaining a safe electrical system is crucial for protecting your home and family from electrical hazards. In addition to addressing AFCI breaker tripping issues, it's also important to have your electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified electrician. Regular inspections can help identify potential problems before they become serious, such as loose connections, damaged wiring, or overloaded circuits. These problems can be addressed proactively to prevent electrical fires and other hazards. Furthermore, make sure that all electrical work in your home is performed by licensed and insured electricians. This will ensure that the work is done safely and correctly, and that it complies with all applicable electrical codes. Hiring qualified professionals is essential for maintaining a safe and reliable electrical system. Consider the age of the house and the electrical system. Older homes may have outdated wiring or insufficient capacity to handle modern electrical loads. This can lead to frequent AFCI breaker tripping and other electrical problems. If you live in an older home, it's worth having the electrical system evaluated by a qualified electrician to determine if any upgrades are necessary. Upgrading the electrical system can improve safety, increase capacity, and reduce the likelihood of electrical problems. Think about the types of appliances and devices you use in your home. Certain appliances and devices, such as those with motors or heating elements, can draw a significant amount of current and may be more likely to cause AFCI breaker tripping. If you frequently use these types of appliances, make sure that they are in good working order and that they are connected to circuits that are properly sized to handle the load. You may also consider using energy-efficient appliances, which typically draw less current. Another area to explore is the grounding system. A properly grounded electrical system is essential for safety and for preventing electrical problems. Make sure that your home's grounding system is properly installed and maintained. If you suspect that there may be a problem with the grounding system, have it inspected by a qualified electrician. A faulty grounding system can increase the risk of electrical shock and can also contribute to AFCI breaker tripping. Also, check for any signs of water damage near electrical outlets or wiring. Water can conduct electricity and can create a path for arcing faults. If you find any signs of water damage, have the area inspected by a qualified electrician to ensure that it is safe. Water damage can also cause corrosion of electrical components, which can lead to further problems. In addition, consider any recent changes to your home's electrical system. If you have recently had any electrical work done, such as adding new outlets or circuits, make sure that the work was performed by a qualified electrician and that it was done in accordance with all applicable electrical codes. Improperly installed wiring or components can create a fire hazard and can also cause AFCI breaker tripping. If you are unsure about the quality of the electrical work, have it inspected by a qualified electrician. You can also perform regular maintenance on your electrical system to help prevent problems. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged wiring, and signs of wear and tear. You should also clean electrical outlets and switches regularly to remove dust and debris. Regular maintenance can help to keep your electrical system in good working order and can reduce the risk of electrical problems. If you are planning to add new electrical appliances or devices to your home, make sure that you have sufficient electrical capacity to handle the load. Overloading circuits can cause AFCI breaker tripping and can also create a fire hazard. If you are unsure about your home's electrical capacity, consult a qualified electrician. Finally, keep a record of any AFCI breaker tripping incidents. This information can be helpful for troubleshooting the problem and for identifying any patterns or trends. Include the date and time of the tripping incident, the location of the breaker, and any appliances or devices that were in use at the time. This record can be valuable for the electrician. Addressing AFCI breaker nuisance tripping involves a systematic approach that includes identifying potential causes, inspecting the electrical system, and taking corrective actions. While some troubleshooting steps can be performed by homeowners, it's always best to consult a qualified electrician for complex issues or when safety is a concern. By following these guidelines and prioritizing safety, you can effectively resolve AFCI breaker nuisance tripping and ensure a safe and reliable electrical system in your home. This systematic approach requires patience and attention to detail but significantly increases the chances of a successful resolution. A combination of careful observation, thorough inspection, and informed decision-making will lead to a safer and more functional electrical system. Remember, the primary goal is to protect against electrical fires while minimizing unnecessary interruptions.